Friday the 26th. If you are new, don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. So it is about 8:30 in the morning. I am enjoying my Herbalife tea. As you've seen me make it, I have the tea, which is gonna help boost my metabolism, boost my energy, right? I have the Beauty Booster, which is the collagen that's gonna help with my hair, skin, and nails. I have the active fiber in here, which is gonna help with my digestive system, as well as the aloe too. So this is what I have every single morning. This is part of my morning routine. I fix my bed. As soon as you wake up, fix your bed. That sets the tone for your day. So this video is gonna be a bit different for me because I don't really vlog on this channel. I just show when I'm making like shirts or cups or stuff like that. But I wanted to actually add the vlog into all of that stuff. So later on, I'm actually gonna be making a cup. But I also wanted to show you guys me working from home. I work part-time with a non-profit organization, and I work from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. so you guys will see me doing that. And I do have 3 children who are homeschooled, but yesterday was their last day of school, so I'm about to actually wake them up in a bit so I can make them breakfast. I'm gonna have my Herbalife shake for breakfast. You guys will see me do that. But I just wanted to start the intro, and I am still in my robes, still looking like a hot mess. I'm gonna get together in a bit, but I just wanted to pop in here, say hi, and hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna vlog my day, work life, you know, making my cups in this video as well. Well, I'm just gonna make one, and then I might vlog tomorrow, which is Saturday, because I have to buy some shirts and stuff and make some shirt designs too. So stay tuned for that, but I hope you enjoy this video. About to be 12 o'clock. The kids are going to be having lunch soon. So I did some cleaning in the kitchen. I played a little bit with my son, some game that he wanted to play. And now I am about to just relax for a bit until it's time for work, because I do start at 1. And I'm not so hungry to have my shake yet, because the breakfast that I had this morning was pretty filling. So I'm just here relaxing. I did take some pain meds because I do have a slight headache. It is, TMI, that time of the month. So I'm just going to take it easy. And later on, if I don't make the cup today that I wanted to make in this video, I will be sure to put it in tomorrow's vlog. Because like I mentioned this morning, I will be doing some shirts and stuff. So maybe tomorrow's vlog will be just focused on stuff like that, because I do own 2 businesses that I run from home. So I have a crafting business and I make t-shirts and cups. And I do, I'm an Herbalife coach. So those products that you see me take earlier this morning, it's a part of my daily routine. And I also help individuals get started on their nutrition as well with Herbalife. So those are 2 businesses that I do run from home, and I did take on this part-time job that I will be doing later on, just to have some extra income flowing into the house. With everything rising, the economy and inflation and stuff like that, you need multiple streams of income. So this part-time job is actually just temporary until I get my businesses up and running the way I want it to be. And I have other things that I want to like do behind the scenes where I'm able to make extra income from home. Because one thing about me is I love to be my own boss. This is also why I wanted to get back into YouTube, because I do post from time to time, but I want to start being like consistent with posting at least 1 or 2 videos a week, whether it be vlogs or showing you guys how to make things and stuff like that. I do have a course, which I'll put all the links that I in my description like I normally do, but I do have a course where I teach individuals how to start up their own t-shirt and tumblers business from home. And then I also will put the link to, if you want to join my team with Herbalife, whether it be as a preferred member or making money from home, extra income, part-time or full-time, you guys can partner up with me with that. So I am going to come back in here, like, catch up with you guys around 1 o'clock when I'm about to clock into my shift. Well, a few minutes before 1. And just record some clips of that. Of course, I will be muting it because I don't want to have the conversations with me and the customers on here. So I'll mute it and add some music and stuff like that. You know the drill. So I'll be back on here in a little bit. Okay, so I am on my quick 15-minute break here, and I am making what I call a mega tea. So I basically add the Herbalife tea. Around this time, I normally have it iced. So I add the Herbalife tea. I add the lift off, which is going to give you the energy as well. It's going to give you the clarity, the focus that you need for the day. And then I also added the beauty booster and the sugar-free mix, which is, I think, is pineapple passion fruit. I'm not too sure. I gotta double check. But that's what I have in my cup, guys. And then I just add a little bit of hot water so that it can dissolve faster. And once it does that, I also use the frother. And then I also just add a whole bunch of ice, literally a whole bunch of ice into the cup. And then I add just more water in there and just stir it all up so that everything is just like evenly stirred. And this is going to give me the energy that I need, guys, because let me tell you, I need this. It is gloomy. It is raining outside, and these clothes have me. It's just killing me. It's killing me, guys. So I'm making that. I'm gonna have a cheese stick as a quick snack. My girls did not want to be in the video today, so they are in their rooms doing their own thing, but they are around there somewhere. My son was in the living room when I was making this voiceover. And yeah, so I'm just gonna prepare this really quick, guys, and then I am going to show you guys the aftermath of how it turns out and go from there. Okay, so this is my mega tea. This is pineapple, passion fruits with the liftoff, like I said, which is berry, pomegranate, berry blast. And then the tea is peach flavor. And the beauty booster is pink lemonade flavor. So I have a whole bunch of different flavors going on in here, but I absolutely love it. It's so, so good. And sorry for the quality. It is, like I said, gloomy outside, so I had to put this light on. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's thundering. But I'm gonna enjoy my quick few minutes before I clock back in. I have officially clocked out of work and I am making dinner, and I am still having my mega tea. This is a 32 ounce, guys, and sometimes it's already gone by this time, but today the calls were like back to back to back, so I barely got to fully enjoy my drink. So I'm gonna enjoy this now. And I'm making rice. We already have meat from yesterday, so all I'm doing is making the rice, and then I'm gonna heat up the meat and beans to go with the rice. So I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. This was my very first time doing something like this. I will get better at it once I get more into it. I'm trying my best to be consistent on my channel. And for those of you who don't know, I do have other videos that you guys can go watch when I make my shirts and my cups. But tomorrow's video will be strictly on that, right? Because I couldn't make the cup today. So I'm going to be making a cup tomorrow and a few shirts, and you guys get to be behind the scenes watching me do that. And I'm going to be taking my daughters out with me because they want to go to Five Below and Target, and then I have to go to Joann's to pick up some shirts. I might take my son with me too, see if he wants to go. But tomorrow you guys get to see my girls if they want to get in the video, because like I said, if they're not put together, they don't want to be in the video. But if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of these types of a day in a life working from home part-time type of vlogs, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and stay tuned for the next one.